Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Aegis Moto Adventures. Hey, it's a gray, cloudy day today. I hope we don't get any rain. I'm hoping it'll burn off as the sun comes up here. But anyhow, we're making the final stretch for home today. But we're going to go around the lakes in the middle of Florida, which hopefully will be kind of fun for you. We'll get started soon, so we'll see you then.
Good morning. Here's our last day. Looking forward to another hot one though, so we're leaving early.
As we head out this morning, I'm excited about getting back home. But I gotta tell you, it's been a really fun trip. And it's been fun to ride the Spider. Anyone sitting on the fence about a Spider purchase, I would say just go for it. These machines can carry a bunch of gear, they're stable, and they give you the feel of being on a motorcycle. We are heading south on US 27. This is a heavy traffic corridor because we are just west of Orlando, home to the mouse with the big ears. We'll get off at Haines City and take a scenic ride through the Lake District. I'm quite familiar with Haines City because I transit through on my way to Kissimmee, where my KTM is serviced. Like most of South Central Florida, the surrounding area has orange grove after orange grove. We'll ride by them as we head south. State Route 17 is also known as the Ridge Scenic Byway. This nearly 40-mile ride takes one through citrus fields, along lakes, and historic Florida towns. The town of Lake Hamilton is named after the adjacent lake. During the late 1960s and early 70s, airboats were manufactured here for the U.S. Army for use in Vietnam. Dundee, Florida was settled in 1911. In 2024, a referendum was held to adopt city status. However, by a 68% margin, voters decided to remain a town. And it's a cute little town. I can't disagree with their referendum decision. Neat little area. Here we are riding by an orange grove. If you want a ride to remember, take a trip in February and March. The orange blossoms are out and it's a heavenly smell. Lake Wales was incorporated in 1917, and the town is considered the crown jewel of the byway. Housed in the old railway station is the local history museum. Unfortunately for us, it was temporarily closed, but I bet it would be a great stop. Downtown, they have some of the most beautiful murals I've seen. This butterfly in orange mural is just neat. Absolutely beautiful. At Crooked Lake, we take an eastward jog through Babson Park in Hillcrest Heights on our way south towards Frostproof. Despite Babson Park being quite small, it's home to Weber International University and Warner University. How cool is that? Lake Moody sits halfway between Hillcrest Heights and Frostproof. Frostproof is a town we visited before. On a prior trip, we took in a fantastic car show during their Orange Blossom Festival. I can highly recommend this festival. It was a lot of fun, and it's held right downtown. Riding down to Reedy Lake brought back fond memories of that festival. I would definitely go back and do that again. I thought this old auto service station was really cute, and it's still in use today. Eventually, State Route 17 brings us back out to US 27, where we head south. I decided as we passed through Avon Park that it would be fun to take a trip around the lake in Sebring. This will be our first visit here. Sebring Parkway will take you straight into town. However, I cut down some side streets to get right along the lake. Oh, what a beautiful area this is. I would definitely recommend a ride along this lake. It would be really cool to go all the way around it. We turn left and ride Lakeview Drive in the downtown area. There's some pretty swanky homes down here. Wow, what a view. At the intersection of State Route 17 and US 27, we fuel up the Spider and take a break before continuing our trek southward. Just 21 miles south of Sebring is Lake Placid. Lake Placid is known as the caladium capital of the world. Caladium is a plant more commonly known as an elephant ear. 98% of the world's bulbs come from here. Lake Placid is also home to a 240-foot observation tower. Turning west on State Road 70 towards Arcadia means we're on the home stretch here. A good portion of South Florida was once swampy. Nowadays, drained areas that aren't used for citrus resemble a savanna and are used to graze cattle. That is why there are cowboys in Florida. Off to our left is the Arcadia All Florida Saddle Club. These young cowgirls appeared to be having a barrel racing contest. What fun is that? If you've never witnessed this sport, you should check it out. These highly trained horses and athletes put on quite a show. See, I told you there's cowboys here, and cowgirls. I zigzag through the side streets of Arcadia and get out to US 17, which will take us south on our last stretch home. Fort Ogden was established in 1841 during the Second Seminole War, but it was abandoned only a year later when the war ended. In the late 1800s, settlers moved into the area and kept the Fort Ogden name. Riding past the Punta Gorda Airport and Alligator Creek means we're back home. Here's Sherry with the recap.
Well, our first trip on the Can-Am was a success. We had so much fun. We got home yesterday and we were both so tired. I didn't do my end of day, end of trip video. But we saw some really neat stuff. I love the landscape in northern Florida, the hills, and so much wild area. Anyway, the Can-Am was a joy to ride. I had it easy as the passenger. Never even really got super sore, but anyway, it was a great time and glad to be home. Got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna start cleaning up the Can-Am right now.
Hey, we made it home safe and sound, and we've been in cleanup mode here, getting the Spider cleaned off and everything put away, laundry completed. So we've been doing all the chores that you would normally do after a trip. I just started working on the videos and had to film this ending to let everybody know that this series has concluded. We sure hoped you liked our little run up along the coast and the beaches and then back through Central Florida. We had a great vacation and really enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed these set of videos, please give them the big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care.